Hello Barbie lover! Here again to unbox classic Barbie dolls from 90s. This is Barbie as Eliza Doolittle in My Fair Lady collection. In the box, we can see the pictures of Audrey Hepburn as Eliza Doolittle. The doll looks expensive because of small details and the material. At the back of the box is a summary of the movies. Let's pack Eliza Doolittle now. It comes with certificate of authenticity, with pink shoes, and a 90s stand. Her dress is made of organza fabric, the gown with boa and hat. It comes with pink hard shoes. Let's put aside the other collection of My Fair Lady. That's all for now. Goodbye!